Hi there, students. To outwit, a verb, to outwit somebody, to get an advantage over someone by acting more cleverly, often by using a trick. So in the stories, the sly fox outwits the hunters. Yeah, he plays a trick on them and he doesn't get caught. Yeah, so it's to get an advantage by being more intelligent, by acting in a smarter way. You could say to outsmart. Usually in a film, the hero finally outsmarts the villain, even though the villain is much, much, much stronger. Yeah, so to outwit, to get the better of by using cunning and ingenuity. Yeah, you have superior wit. Wit can also mean brains. You're witty, wit funny, but wit as well, your brains. So to outsmart, you could even say to outfox. The president outwitted his rivals and won the election. He outwitted his competitor using a cunning trick, as Baldrick would say. He managed to outwit the police and escape from custody. Yeah, to get the better of somebody. Yeah, because you're smarter. The kids tried to outwit the new teacher. Yeah, to outsmart, maybe even to outthink. As I said at the beginning, the fox traditionally outwits the hunter by doing various smart things. He outwitted the people who were chasing him by changing clothes all of a sudden. Yeah, he had a change of clothes in his bag, and that was how he managed to outwit them. Yeah, so to outwit, to win, to get the better of by playing a smart trick, by being clever, by using your brains. So let's see, formality, to outwit. This is a neutral verb. I think you can use it absolutely anywhere, 5 in formality. And as well, it's regular. He outwitted the police. The fox has outwitted the hunters again. Okay, and then as to origin, well, to out meaning more than, yeah, to go further than. And then wit, your brains. Yeah, and that's the etymology of it. Okay, so to outwit, to get the better of, to beat in a competition of wits, of brains. Yeah, to act in a brainier way or a smarter way and so win. Yeah, we all try to outwit the system, but I think it might be more difficult than it appears. So anyway, to outwit, to be smart and be a winner. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To outwit.